So what exactly is a brand mood board? Well, think of it as a visual snapshot that captures the essence of your brand. So it's like a collage of images, colors, and textures that reflects the vibe and personality of your business. So basically, it's a total game changer for understanding and nailing down your brand's identity. You will want to watch till the end because I will teach you how to create your very own brand mood board for your business. Hey guys, I'm Raquel, and on this channel, I teach you the essential tools you need to make money online. Let's talk about why mood boards are a big deal for entrepreneurs and small businesses. So number one, to get clear and focus, think of a mood board like a roadmap for your brand. It helps you figure out what your brand is all about and the look you're going for. Number two, to stay consistent. Your mood board is like a style guide. It keeps everything from your logo to your website and social media looking the same. This makes your brand easily recognizable and builds trust with your audience. Number three, communication made easy. So if you're working with a team of creative minds, a mood board is like a universal language. It shows everyone what your brand is about without a lot of words. Number four, it is a decision-making buddy. When you're stuck choosing colors or fonts to guide you, it helps you stick to your brand's vibe and not get sidetracked. Number five, it's an inspiration boost. Feeling a bit of uninspired? Your mood board is a gold mine of ideas. It's like a box of treasures that can give your brand a fresh and exciting makeover. So in a nutshell, mood boards are like superhero helpers for your brand, making it easier for you to tell your story and connect with your audience. Now let us quickly create our brand mood board in Canva. So we will now start creating our mood board, but before we do, I have created a list of prompts, and we can easily put these prompts into ChatGPT to help us, develop our brand color and our voice tone and all these stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna copy all of this and I will now take this and put it into ChatGPT, right? And send. So ChatGPT is helping me come up with a business name. It is also helping me with brand values and the mission and all these stuff. I also, along with ChatGPT, I also like to use Google Bard. Okay, but I will not, complicate things in this video. So I'll just try to keep it as simple as possible. So this is what ChatGPT has provided. So these are the list of names here. It really doesn't speak to me. I would prefer to have mom and anxiety in my business name. So I can easily ask ChatGPT to give me another set of 10 options to choose from. But since this is just a tutorial, I will work with what I have so far. And now, since we have all of this, the vision, target audience, we have the color palette, we have font pairing, etc. So let us now go into Canva. And in order to create a mood board, we will search mood brand board and just choose, something that speak to us from in here. Okay. I like this one, so I will work with this one. Okay, so we have our mood board. So basically what we will do is simply fill out the information that was provided by ChatGPT into this column right here. Okay, we have, let us start with the name of the business, right? I took the liberty to, get my own name. So I'll just simply remove this and insert the logo right here. Okay, so this is the logo. And now let us go back to ChatGPT and see what colors we have. Okay, so this is a color palette that ChatGPT is suggesting. Okay. Okay, so I just copied everything and put it in the color area, and just to see what I get. And ChatGPT and Canva has provided me with some pretty good templates that I can use. Now, I can use what Canva have here, or simply copy each one of these and paste it there and see what else it comes up with. But in the meantime, I think I will just work with what I have, what Canva has provided. Or let's see what we get here. Okay, so I don't know what is sage green. So let me find out if ChatGPT can give us a hex code. Okay, so we actually got some pretty good information, and I like that. So we have the earth tones here. I like the soft pastels color. I really like lavender. So let us copy this and put this in here. Oh, we have our first one. Now let us copy the second one, and I will speed up the video for the rest. Okay guys, so what we can do is stick with these colors, right, alone, or we can ask ChatGPT to suggest another color, right? I think we should always leave black as an option, so we'll leave black here and probably get another color. Woo! And here we go. It gave us powdered blue and pale lilac. You know, I always have a soft spot for lilac, so let me see how this lilac look. Okay, that's a lilac. It is okay. Let me see what the powdered blue look like. Oh, I really like the powder blue. So what I'll do, I'll put the powder blue as an option, and I will still put the lilac as an option. Now, there we go. Okay, so now let us look at the font and see what ChatGPT has provided us with. Okay, so the font pairing, we have Montserrat, which is the heading, and the body is Open Sans. So let us copy this and go to font. We have Montserrat, so we click on that, and the good thing is we're going to leave this as is. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do here is insert brand fonts, right? And over here we will, we already have Montserrat, so let us leave the Montserrat over here. And the other option was Open Sans. So we go and look for Open Sans, right? And this is Open Sans, and of course we have to change the name. Okay, so basically Open Sans would be the body. So what we'll do is simply change this to Open Sans, and the heading is Montserrat. So we will just select Montserrat. So this basically is what this is our brand fonts. Okay. Now for the mood board. So for the mood board, we can get, we can put little inspirations of what we would like our mood board to look like. Okay, so for instance, let us go to elements, and I will sort of pick pictures or videos that will give us the vibe that we want our brand to provide. Okay. Okay guys, so I hope you're seeing this properly. As you can see, my brand will sort of depict color, right? And these are my color palettes, right? So these are the colors that my brand will be showing. Okay. Of course, I need to do some work on my logo to reflect these colors here. Okay, so that would not be hard to do. I will show you how to do that in a minute. Of course, and what we also didn't do, we just changed the color. We only changed the color, but we did not change the hex code. So let us go and quickly change the hex code. I will speed up the video when I'm doing that. Okay. Okay, so I have made the changes here, and I don't like that black, that brown or beige color. So I will go ahead and change this. Right, so I prefer this. And now I will go and make some changes to my font, my logo. Okay, so now we have our logo in place. I will just download these now. Okay guys, so as you can see, we could have kept the old logo, which is not bad, right? Because basically the top, this color here, match our lilac here, which is not bad. Okay, so these colors are perfect and it goes with the brand. Okay, I'm talking about anxiety and so forth, and these colors are very soothing, as you can tell, according to ChatGPT. So according to ChatGPT, these are the best colors you can use. You have soft petals, earth tones, calming blues, nature inspired, right? And neutral serenity. I should have chosen nature inspired because it's more nature photos I will be using. Okay, so I will change that probably afterwards, but for the sake of this video, let us proceed. Okay guys, so this is our mood board. It is very simple, straight to the point. So now we will go over to creating our website and our landing pages and so forth. And we already have a logo or brand name or font and etc. that we will be using. Okay, so let us download this. We can just download it if we like, or just move on to the next phase, which is creating our website. Okay, but you know, in order to download, you click on download and you can do it in a PDF or a PNG and take it from there. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. Are you seeing this, how easy this was to create? Have you ever made a brand mood board for your business? Share your responses in the comment section below. So guys, if you find this video insightful, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. And if you're anxious to use your new brand identity to create something like a website that converts visitors into buyers, check out this next video.